Hello everyone, this is Front Yard Mechanic. Today we're going to discuss a little bit about a 1990 Chevrolet C1500 half-ton pickup. This is a short bed pickup. It's mainly talking about the silly wiring problems they have, electrical problems inside the cab. A lot of things like the windshield wipers, you turn them on, they won't turn off unless you turn the key off. You need to buy a updated little control panel that bolts to the wiper motor, and then that would fix that problem. The other one is the electronic speed sweep gauge and the little control box on the driver's side kick panel. They seem to go out and the speed gauge doesn't want to work. Again, this was Chevrolet starting to turn everything over to electronics around this year. The other thing is the silly gauge is not working right. All the gauges, fuel, temperature, oil. Turn on the turn signals, they like to flick with it. Turn on the dome light, the gauges all like to drop to nothing. Turn on the heater control, they all like to go to nothing or go all the way up to high. So that's usually caused from the heater control units on there. Again, they have a little circuit breaking screen in there that, not circuit breaker, but a little circuit screen in there that goes bad and it causes it to short out. So I've learned that you can replace the heater selector control and that'll fix that problem. The other one is the activators down there on the heater, little electronic plungers that open up to defrost and to the floor. Before it used to just be a cable. The old ones just push the lever over and it would open it up. Those go out. So anyways, that's the inside electrical problems that you have on this 1990 Chevrolet C1500. The good thing is this truck here has the, I think it's a 4.3 liter V6 Vortec motor. A lot of power. Has a lot of power for such a little pickup. And it's automatic overdrive. I think it's the 700R transmission in it. Pretty reliable. Truck actually rides pretty nice. It's just that if you do buy one of these, you will have one of those electrical problems with it by the time it hits 100,000 miles. Then it just escalates downhill from there with all of it. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you like this channel, click subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and see you next time.